All right, it's another time for errands.
Yes.
Let's do it. First stop is your
Physical
therapy for your knee. Right here in Zephyr Hills, Florida Medical. Woohoo.
Woohoo.
Let's get it started on this cold day.
Yep.
Yay.
All right.
Don't forget your mask.
I know. I got it right there.
Yep. Yes, you do. And we did install our camera.
Yeah, we did.
Yep.
BB feels much better with that camera in here.
Yeah. How was it, BB?
Oh, we added more to it.
Added more what?
Exercises to it.
Okay. Next up, let's go get your registration.
Yeah, for the truck.
Let's do it. Now it's time to go to the post office and to drop off the winners' mugs. Hopefully, it'll get there.
Yeah.
The old Zephyr Hills post office.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully, it's not busy here.
Hopefully.
Alrighty, you got 3?
Yep, I got 3.
And I got 3.
Okay.
Parking lot looks a little crowded.
It does.
Let's check it out. It's a little busy today. We're getting closer.
Yes, we are.
Closer. And this is here in Zephyr Hills. Looks like all the post offices are busy.
The other one for...
All right, BB. That was a whopping $77.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo!
Right, we got it done.
Yeah, so hopefully.
Monday, y'all be receiving your mug.
Hopefully. Well, hopefully. No guarantee, but you know who you are, winners. Thank you. All right, next stop. Motor vehicles. All right, BB, Dade City. DMV at the government center over here. Little small East Pasco place here.
Yeah.
Off of Pineapple and 6th.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I said pineapple. She'll be next. This is a nice little building here. They're gonna have to get bigger with all the subdivisions they're building in Dade City.
Yeah.
And BB, we got the 2-year. How much was it for the truck?
It was $38
For 2 years?
For each year.
Okay.
And then the license, and I also renewed my registration.
How much was your license?
$48.50
For
8 years.
Oh, do you have a star on yours?
Oh, yeah, let me show you.
Star means perfect. No, you don't have to show.
No.
Star means perfect driver. That's what I'm saying.
It? Yeah.
Yes, like me, I have a perfect
But they
driver.
changed the whole thing.
Yeah, I know. They'll look at it when they get their own license.
I was like, wow, those are much brighter. I like that.
But the star means you're certified.
Yeah.
But there's another
The
thing.
star at the bottom.
But does it say safe driver like mine does?
Yeah, it does.
You know, no tickets.
Right.
Even though I had 21 points in New Jersey, I came here to Florida with 0 points, and I'm a safe driver.
Yeah.
All right. Even though I used up all my speeding ticket classes, I'm still a safe driver because I got no points.
That's right.
All right, let's go get some pizza at Hungry Howie's.
Let's go. I'm getting hungry. Next
Alrighty.
stop of the day.
Hungry Howie's Pizza,
Yeah, sounds good.
Dade City. Yes, sirree.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, you can park right next to that car. Michelle's working.
Where's Dave's car?
Dave, I don't think he's working. We'll see. Alrighty, let's go to the drive-thru.
Okay,
Should be ready. And this Hungry Howie's has a drive-thru delivery. Tip these people, or else Jackie Boy's gonna get mad. Let's see who we got at the window. Dave or Michelle? Dun, 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 dun. Damn, it's Michelle. Hey, where's Davey boy?
He's off today.
Man, this old pizza maker over here.
The best pizza maker.
How long you been here?
A year and a half.
Damn, you running the store and everything.
Already.
Open that up, babe. Let's see what she made.
She made a pizza.
I know that, but I'm saying, damn. All right, Michelle. Everyone come see Michelle. Hungry Howie's, Dade City. You want to say anything to your kids?
Nope, just that I love them and I'm working for them.
All right, sweetie. Have a good New Year. We'll see you. Bye-bye.
Happy New Year.
All righty. Slow down, son. Are you supposed to be back? What? Are you supposed to be back here?
Off there.
Keith.
You do not have
Keith.
permission to record me,
Keith.
sir.
Keith. That's Keith's sister from AutoZone. Bye-bye, sweetie. Hi.
Are you?
Let's head home.
Okay, let's do that before you.
Cause I'm hungry.
You get us killed here.
Okay. Until the next adventure, guys. You good? Slow down. Got that way.
Well, I know where I'm going. Thank you very much.
Until our next adventure, Dade City barbecues, Hungry Howie's. Have a good time.
See y'all.
Bye bye.